Hey guys, we're group 2. This is
Enzo.
I'm David and
This is Ija.
alright, so we took the option to make a YouTube video and we're just gonna be talking about macromolecules. So thanks for watching guys.
And David's gonna be the one narrating. I'm the editor, and Enzo's our head researcher.
Yes.
So
Thank you and enjoy the video.
Enjoy.
Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment.
Yeah, MobaSoda, Ija Collinson,
And
Enzo. Yeah, okay. Good day everyone. Today we will be talking about macromolecules. But the question that must intrigue you the most is, what are macromolecules? Well, isn't that the reason why you're watching this video? Macromolecules are large molecules composed of small organic molecules. They are also called polymers. Polymers are made of the repetition of units or identical compounds called monomers. Their purpose is to link polymers together. There are 4 kinds of macromolecules. The first one are carbohydrates. Some examples of carbohydrates are bread and wheat. They store energy and provide structural support. The second one are lipids. Some examples of lipids are soybean oil, sunflower oil, vitamin A, D, E, and K. Lipids store energy and provide barriers. The third one are proteins. Some examples of proteins are pork, beef, fish, and cheese. Proteins transport substances, speed up reactions, provide structural support, and make hormones for the human body. The fourth one are nucleic acids. Some examples of nucleic acids are DNA and RNA. Nucleic acids store and communicate genetic information. Now let's talk about carbohydrates. Carbohydrates are very important in any diet, even though women cut it out of their diet a lot. Carbs hold energy and provide structural support. They're composed of carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen. Their general formula is CH2O. Long carbohydrates are called polysaccharides. An example of these are glycogen. Glycogen is an energy storage that is also a form of glucose that's found in the liver and skeletal muscle. Next up are lipids. Lipids are comparable with carbohydrates, but one of their main differences are that they contain fatty acids. Like carbohydrates, they contain energy and provide barriers. A type of lipids are fatty lipids. These provide warmth and insulation for the human body. Do not avoid lipids, unless you want to be like these people. Lipids are an absolute requirement for our bodies, because without lipids, organisms can't function properly. Now, let's talk about proteins. We can find these macromolecules in fish, steak, pork, and some vegetables. Proteins speed up reactions like catalysts, transport substances, and provide structural support like lipids. They are made up of amino acids, which in turn are made of carbon, hydrogen, nitrogen, and sometimes sulfur. Proteins make up about 15% of the total body mass and are involved in almost every function in your body. Since they produce hormones, protein is usually advised after a workout to provoke muscle growth. Lastly, we will talk about nucleic acids. This macromolecule stores and transmits genetic information. They are made of smaller subunits of carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, and a phosphorus called nucleotides. All 6 of the major nucleotides contain 3 units: a phosphate, a nitrogen base, and a ribose sugar. Living things have 2 types of nucleic acids, DNA and RNA. Inside nucleic acids, the sugar in one nucleotide bonds with the phosphate of another nucleotide. A nucleotide with 3 phosphate groups is ATP. ATP is adenosine triphosphate, which stores chemicals that cells can use in a variety of reactions.